First, he was caught on camera threatening murder and rape. Then he was forgiven by his party boss Mamata Banerjee, who saw no problem giving a lawbreaker a personal clean chit. And now, with the Calcutta High Court cracking down, the Trinamool takes its disgraceful shielding of Tapas Pal to the next level.
Well, arguing in court against an FIR, Mamata Banerjee's team has suggested that Tapas Pal's murderous rant was immoral, not illegal. Perhaps the Trinamool needs access to the Indian Penal Code because what the Member of Parliament did breaks a series of laws that entail up to 7 years in jail.
After the outrageous comments made by Tapas Pal, now the TMC government gives a bizarre defense in court to protect its rogue MP.
The learned judge has not read the entire judgment. Paragraph 7 is the scope of the hate speech, and the procedure which should be procedure for hate speech has been specified in under the paragraph 27. That is, he has to go to the magistrate, not to the High Court.
TMC MP and lawyer Kalyan Banerjee, appearing for the state government, put up a rather bizarre defense. Kalyan Banerjee used all legal loopholes to shield his party's MP. Not only did Banerjee come up with the bizarre argument that the speech was only a moral offence and not a legal crime, he also virtually accused the single judge bench of being biased and depending solely on media reports. What is also interesting is that even after Tapas Pal's counsel admitted that his client had committed a mistake, the government still chooses to defend him. Although Tapas Pal has got partial relief from the court, what remains to be seen is how long will the government continue to defend the under fire MP. Bureau Report, headlines today.
Manogya Loipal joins us live from Kolkata. Manogya, as these disgraceful defences of Tapas Pal continue by the Trinamool Congress, where is Tapas Pal? We haven't even seen a hair on his head since this entire episode actually broke. Where is he hiding?
Well, the day Parliament started, he ensured that he was admitted in a hospital, Bellevue Hospital here in Kolkata. He did not attend any of the events, rather important events of Trinamool Congress government, which also included 21st July, which is the annual event of the party. But now he has been at his home. We told that he's in his district and that's where he has been staying. He has been out of cameras, he's been staying away from cameras and rather has not been meeting anyone from his constituency or from his party leadership also. The only person he met was on last Sunday when he met Mukul Roy, seeking apology of what he had said and also trying to pacify the leaders as soon as possible.
Well, it's just amazing how he's been able to stay off camera. Thankfully, he was on camera when it mattered, when he was committing that crime that hopefully he'll be facing justice for. Manogya, thanks very much for getting us that update. Manogya and her team will be tracking Tapas Pal very, very closely and all that happens in the wheels of justice that have thankfully finally begun turning against that murderous Trinamool MP.